What's up, Hard and Hustle? Welcome back to another video. It's been a while since the last time I was here, but we are back again at the Beeflex America warehouse. If you guys remember my live video whenever I was cutting the fatty by Beeflex, I totally messed it up. So the guys saw my video, they invited me back, and they wanted to show me how to do it. So today what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to press it again. They've already showed me how to cut it. They told me that all the specs that you need to know are on their website. So if you do happen to order some of their fatty product, you can go on the website and get the specs for the specific cutter you are using. Alright, so today we are here with Luis, the sales manager, and he's going to let me know what I did wrong whenever I was cutting the fatty in my live video.
So what happened with him is that he didn't apply enough pressure to the cut, and that's a mistake that a lot of people can make when they're dealing with a vinyl that's more thicker than normal. So if you have a graphic or any kind of big plotter, what you can do is grab the actual blade, and there's a dial right here where you can adjust the pressure that you can dig into the vinyl a lot better. Another alternative that we recommend in our catalog is to use a 60-degree blade, which actually digs into the vinyl a lot better, and we recommend it with thicker vinyl such as the fatty. So that's one thing that you can do. We've tested it. This vinyl right here is being cut by a Cricut machine, so nothing adjustable, no 60-degree blade, just a 45-degree blade. What we did was just adjust the settings for the vinyl. We put it on light cardboard, and that's what works for the fatty material at 650 microns.
That explains a lot. What I did wrong is I was using a 45-degree blade, and what I thought what I could do was just give more and more passes and it would cut it. But as he was explaining right now, I would have to change the depth on my blade, which I didn't do until some of my subscribers was like, hey, try to adjust the blade, and once I did that, I was able to cut it. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is Luis is going to show us the piece that they pre-cut, how easy it weeds. So go ahead, Luis.
Alright, so should be a one pull job right here. Bam. And this is how it should weed. If your material is not weeding this way and these easily, it's because you have to adjust the cut settings. That's really the biggest thing with this material. It's so thick that you want to get all the way through to the carrier without penetrating the carrier, but with enough pressure to be able to get this weeding done.
Alright, so if you look, that looks a whole lot better than what I did that night when I was live. If y'all remember, I cut like 3 feet of this, and the 3rd foot that I finally got cut, I got it weeded, but it didn't weed the way this did. But now I know.
Alright, so now we're gonna press the fatty material. So the settings for this material is 285 degrees Fahrenheit, 30 seconds on a light pressure. And there's a lot of emphasis on light pressure. You don't want to press this material very hard because of its thickness. So what you want to do is press it lightly for 30 seconds. That time will allow the thick material to go up to 285 degrees, so it makes a heat transfer. Alright, so here we have it. Take it out. It's all yours.
Alright, so there it is. Again, this is the fatty from Beeflex. You can order it on their website. Remember, 285, 30 seconds, light pressure. I want to say thank you to Eric, David, and Luis for inviting me back to Beeflex warehouse today. They wanted to give us a quick demo on how to actually properly press the fatty.
Yeah, so you guys can check us out at Beeflex America. We also have a YouTube channel. Check us out on social media. And if you have any questions, just like Joe did, reach out to us. We're more than happy to help you out with any of our products, okay?
So make sure you go to my page, you like, subscribe, go to their page, like, subscribe, go to their Instagram, Facebook, follow them so you can keep up with everything that they're working on and where they'll be going later in the future for their shows. So again, thank you for watching, and until next time, keep pressing.